Hello everyone, you're watching PC Helper and welcome to another video in the Python 3.9 tutorial series. If by the end of this video you feel like you have learned something today, then please leave a like and also don't forget to subscribe to PC Helper for regular content. So in this video we'll be talking about class variables and instance variables. So this is a very basic concept actually, but the reason why I'm covering it in this video is because I don't want you to face any problem when we learn more about object-oriented programming. So this is a very basic concept. So to understand it, let's make a class and let's name it, let's say, boys. So this is our class boys, and here we have a variable called gender, and obviously gender will be male in a class named boys. So this gender is a class variable. So whenever an object will be made for this class, it automatically will have this variable called gender. So this is called a class variable. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So let's say we have an object called boy1. This is an object of boys, and we have another called boy2. Oh, my bad, boys. And now let's say we want to print boy1 dot gender, and we want to print boy2 dot gender. And now when I will execute this program, you can see male was printed twice. So this is a class variable which is common to all the objects in this class. So whenever an object will be created for this class boys, it will automatically have gender, a variable named gender, whose value will be equal to male. So this is called a class variable common to all the objects of that class. Now let's talk about instance variable. So let's say we have another method called, we have another init method. So we have already talked about init method in our last video. So if you haven't watched that video, then watch that video first. And in this init method, we have an argument called age, and self.age, that will be the age of our object, will be equal to this age variable. As simple as that. Now this age is our instance variables. The reason why it is an instance variable is because for every object, the value of age can be different. For example, let's say in boys, for boy1, let's enter the value 12. And for boy2, let's enter the value, let's say 44. So now when I will copy these two lines, let's copy them and paste them here. Oh, my bad. And paste them here. And instead of gender, if I'll print age for both of these objects, you can see that these will be different. So now when I execute this program, you can see for the first object, the gender was male. For the second object also, the gender was male. But the age was different for both of these objects because we entered different ages for them. So this is a difference between a class variable and an instance variable. The value of a class variable is same for all the objects, whereas the value of an instance variable can be changed from object to object. So that's it. That's the difference between a class variable and an instance variable. I hope you don't have any doubt. If you have, you can write in the comment section. And yeah, it was a very basic concept and I wanted you to know about it. So that's why I made a video on it. And the next video most probably will be talking about inheritance. So yeah, I hope you like this video. If you like this, then please leave a like and I'll see you guys in the next one.